guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yay. Namuhla angina introduction ne. Before something ngifuna ukuyikhuluma lana. Ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona abantu abasubscribe daily ne. And asingakhohlwani ama rules wale group ukuthi asojajana sokhuluma izinto ezisnacks. If you don't have anything or any advice ungayitype rather ubukele ukhuluma i1 ubukele uri usitayela kulona ko phone ngor ko laptop ngor ko kai ko TV ukhuluma i1 kanjalo, but don't come here because umuntu ozobhala la umuntu indaba ahlale nayo iminyaka egodlile angazi ukuthi angatshela bani. So thina si last hope yakhe hayi ukuthi thina sizozalana then siya type because we can type iglobon asingakwenzi lokho. Asibeni society ukuthi rathushana rifana mayele abona then impilo yaphambili. Story time. Usisi angibhalela awushozi ngine situation nobabam. Enhle kusine situation nobabam. So ngikhathe off ubabam about a year and a couple of months ago. So now ma bora khadibaka ama auntie bam babizvari alina le khathile off papa le listener relationship le papa lona. So now kuba ngathi thina si wrong. But bona they are failing to see what abuta bona nale wrong. So ngibhalele wena because of I want abantu bakho ukuthi bambotshore ke wrong mokai kilobona, because of I feel ukuthi mina ngoba sengimkhathe off I'm at peace. Okay, yo someone uthi wathi ngasathi angazi wathi ngiyarasa or ngenza imara nina nine itorias nine itori usisi uthi awushoze ugogwami ne bekashade umkhulu wami bekamunye umuntu ukuthi utoxic. My grandfather was a very toxic person and nina jwala uranwele awusuziberizo gore o tla rasa the whole night, the whole house o tla rasa o tlo hlaba mashata uthi beku environment ubaba amakhulelekiwe azaba mdala still abakanjalo uthi ukumuntu ukuthi beyakhona abuse ugogo uthola ukuthi lelo langa makaphuzile amcosha ugogo ukuthi hamba yolala ngaphandle umuntu bekanjalo. Thina masivuka sesebantwana leso sikhathi masivuka sithola ugogo lele ngaphandle like bekhona bona hore umuntu abuse our grandmother, but I should see our grandfather now umuntu lo ana something positive to say to anybody, even if ukadira something nice ana congratulations, and even though akaba wrong like hakana akaseri sorry, he will never say sorry to anybody. And no umuntu la abuzeng gore everything I did wrong like right ana umuntu akamfang advice or no mono wrong or amkhaleme nas umuntu. So I figured to a point to go to Kokwameke with Bagamabek hamba because like she was so fed up. And then Papa Kakana going out just in school. And then Papa decided to date my mother. And then I don't know Mama how was my control. Like my father decided to turn up from shot to Mama. I drop out of school and from 70 was lobolo mama. Or to mama accessing down school when my father am lobola in the hope so would see Uzuhanganisa umden was he like mama how would go control. And I was sure Leo trick as seven a cause coco what can I say a pindi a boiling. Hi, then mama gave a shout again babami. Hi, bashala to baba mutula sebenzi going in down when the province. And then girl he to go to move again. So shall I go in the province with Ozi Safunindawo while Shaliwala poke. Masi Funindawo and then you papa mena say a sebenza atama the whole month abwa end of failure. Or Ashozi call a process leader was Shalakono ubaba mama mafuna is stand. Abasatenga is stand here going in that work. And then some move and up and then papa I'm like because every month. What Ashozi my father who exit like ubabaki, my grandfather, but baba mena beganga pussy by then. But I was choosing mutolonali very abusive towards my mother, very abusive. Or neditso today what I was choosing the following morning sakeza sonke senza imisebenza sendimi siyahamba so dlala sobuya ebusuku because we are trying to avoid a conflict ebakhona because every time alkonto hona le conflict or hamamaka or awusoze mutho or hamamaka amroheli kabatswadi leso sikhathi mama bazali bakhe basele bashonile bekamthuka amthuke ngabazali uthi into sikhule ngayo from hakukwaka to us going to live eyithi like bekwinto esiphile ngayo from sesebancane. What else was I iqhubeka kanjalo from us being teenagers sarisane isikolo refetse awushozi size mina ngimove out my sister ngahamba hlala ne husband yakhe my brother naye abe nala hlala khona kwakhe. Still this thing still continues. I stop uthi awushoze ayikwenze ukuthi jiki uthi ubaba umunye umuntu ukuthi abahle mama kayi ku Grekeng asimotho believer in Christ abahle mama attend Grek and mama mo a holetse go teng go habo ke batho ba kereke. So my mother ke motho wa Grek even now ka old age still o sa go Grekeng ke motho le Grek. Or I was mama photo esontweni my father o tla rohakana abahle mama e Grekeng. So my mother o tsamaya ka ga ngora one time I was choosing mama yang phonela so mama phonela are you know what Cindy itlaunlate hle I'm tired of this man itlaunlate ke pakile di bag itlaunlate asuze mina la ngihlala khona na sekithi it's about 30 minutes drive ukuthi ngifike ekhaya. It was Saturday mama kusontola eGrekeng so I don't know what happened. My mom wayesontweni makabuya vele ubaba like waba leave it wathuka yabona uthi awushozi. My father ne bewumuntu ukuthi amthethisa umama but beyangamshaya but there was a point la balicabana khona wamshaya yabona. So from there mama ka waba like umama bewumuntu ukuthi baba mama mthethisa uyathula laphendula respond wadidimala because of ubona or I to responda imthela ipetrol ukuthi thethu kuyaphambili so uyathula uthi to a point ukuthi mama manje akasakhona ukuthula ke so ukhathele. So that very Saturday mama ka tlha ko Grekeng because izile Grekeng ka khama and then wathuka umthethisa ke uthi mama ka busy ampotsa kufuna down la think I've packed my bags I'm ready to go. Uthi nyamuza brothers move or abuto like still ka di clap or I cannot mention the clap tse nani bolela kufuna because of sesemzalo but at ke di clap tse di serious. And nahana awushozi by then ubaba akasasebenzi sawumuntu omdala asasebenzi una ndi taxi owner more ering lula ngona like in an area where everyone knows ukuthi baba we taxi owner and we have a respect but like basiphi respect kule community because of amabambheka ubaba umuntu uthatha nonsense vele. So like community respects my family. Uthi awushozi umuntu athethe hayi ngene emotweni vele ngidriving ngolando mama mangifika ngimlanda uthi mama leso sikhathi hlala umntwana kaBhuti wami ngene isikole it's Saturday hayi ke munke and then le ke munke le ngwana he uthi sihambe ke hayi the following day I was just Sunday mama was like no I need to go to church ngicela ukuthi ungikhabe uthi mange church is a street away from Egiti uthi I was just ngise ko Grekeng sonto maliphuma ngiphinde ngimlande because akafuni ukuya kwakhe. Okay sharp so Monday yafika hela sonto ngwana ayisikolong and mina ngeke ngikhona ukutravelisa umntwana because I need to go to emsebenzini. Uthi ubaba umama athi ngcono uthi nosithathe usise kaBhuti wami kwaBhuti wakho uBhuti wami ila spawn Egiti uyumfana one sinekithi si3 it's me it's my sister and my younger brother. Uthi hayi ngibathathe ngibayiseka kaBhuti wami ahlala kaBhuti wami or awushozi more processing like ngiyabona ukuthi ifamily yahlukana mama sohlala kaBhuti wami ubaba uhlala eyi1 awushozi uthi I decide ukuthi you know what akireng a family gathering man uthi awushozi decide ukuthi man emangenze family gathering ke sihlangane sikhumbuzana ukuthi man family like areputhaning yabona uthi ngitshela umama the idea ngitshela my brother ngitshela my sister and then all of them ba support ngithi okay mina ngizoyenza this thing because ke neke badango but I need to go home ngitshela ubaba ngilwabona because ngifuna ukuthi umsebenzi ube sekhaya. Uthi awushozi ngimfonela ubaba ngimbuza ukuthi ukhona na athi ya ukhona ke batlatla ke tobulela lona something. My father was like no you can come over it's fine. Uthi awushozi ngidrive ke ngika baba uthi awushozi mangifika vele ka baba ngiyakhona ubona ukuthi awunamsadi like ubaba mungcolile endlini kungcolile awubona like unobona ormo uthokhela litsohola umsadi. Uthi hayi ngifike vele uthi awushozi vele ngimbulise ngihlale phansi hayavumeke ngimtsheleke ukuthi ngizengani. Uthi awushozi yazi the relationship kamama nobaba yenza ukuthi thina baba thina sima siblings so3 ubaba like singabi na relationship right because of like papa ka ke mothore like unonya man like mangathi uncede nga something are utla ubutsa are hey wa hopola selimpi ka ira if it wasn't for me no kaskoni. Uthi ubaba umuntu onjani akana anything a positive angayikhuluma nje like umuntu omunye like very abusive abona unjalo. Uthi hayi ayi ngifike ngikhulume naye ke or awushozi like beke bengafuni ukuya kubaba but because of like ngise ukuthi you know what let me try to combine ifamily man sibona ukuthi angeke ikhulume yabona. Uthi hayi awushozi hayi ngifike ke ngikhulume naye ngimtshela ukuthi no ngiziplan ukwenza i-family gathering ngizofonela wonke ama-family members borakhadi bomani like to come morihle ka mo to celebrate ka mo high yabona sizohlaba sihlabe nemvu yabona hayi uthi hayi vele akhulume athi okay banongibatlohetsa ningi uthi nje ukuthi hayi it was uthi be we first week ka June ngithi ngizocover everything but ngicabanga ukuthi yenze end of July lo msebenzi uthi hayi umuntu kube umuntu ufuma abanongibatlo ukuthi usekayeni uthi ngathi angifuni usizo lakho na I will handle everything or after siqeda ukukhuluma lapho umuntu ari mama how utsamayile montungane montung uthi awusozi uthi semacala kare ye akekene ditaba tsa hao le mamaka my mother umele ukuthi wena apologize if unga apologize my mother will come back endlini kwakho so now amputsa tsona una no untse ko ngana ha bolo nomshimane na ke ha moshimane ngana fela ke lo khopela tshwara for in ngase yina ko ngase ko uthi vela aqale vela phakamisa voice ngithi ake batlo lekena arada leave abana uthi ya ke tsela ka ngolo bona no yena moshimane o robala le mama hao meaning ukuthi my brother uthi ubhutwami wazi ngani ukuthi ubhutwami ulala no mama or ashozi ke bona ubana nkaAfrikana and nikisatlela dilutsewu I wanted to ukuthi i-conversation yethu iphele kahle yabona uthi awushozi asakhuluma ke GML level ke tsamaya ke kokolo ngitsena kolong ke kwale mnyako ke start kolo and leave imiye kanjani uthi mangisendleleni I call my mother ngiyamtshela ukuthi ungihambile but umndoda yakho ithize hayi ngifonele my brother my sister yabona ngibatshela yabona uthi mama athi as long as umtshelile but wena proceed umsebenzi wakho yabona uthi hayi ngicaleke sengifonela ama family relatives ngiyafona I'm informing them ngomsebenzi sisi uthi awushoze yazi mangise lesa sikhathi mangisendlini makangibona like ungijabulele hi Cindy yo my baby uthi ama family members wasekithi bathi mina ngifavorite kababami because of mina ubabami umuntu ukuthi makakhuluma athi malunyana sesinathi angiphenduli ngivele nami ngokhawe ngime kanjalo so everyone in my family bacanga ukuthi ngifavorite yakhe so like from the way ngamukhethe nkade nganthabela to the way i-conversation yethu iphele ngakhona I decide ukuthi uyangifonela an hour sengifikile like 2 hours sengifikile endlini uyangifonela Cindy ngwanaka ukayi angikhona yazi I wanted to call you because of ngibona hormone conversation rena ya fela pila okay nikukupela ngwanaka gore o tleleteke kusabangana umjwala manje re khona ubulela gabotsa bona uthi hayi ngivumeke nithi kuye nithi bucabanga ukuthi ngenza nini so ubona uri hey not for me asking le question or mothatlo from 0 to 100 bana ngako rompotso gore go botsa gore ke grotle ne o ya botsa gore ke direng ka bophelo ba kona komang eng uthi athet uthi ngibona ukuthi you know what I'm not going to entertain lo baba lo mazothetha so uthi ngidrop phone uthi afone back ngidrop phone uthi in my heart ngisho ukuthi angafona for the third time I'm going to block him completely. Kimtswadi yaka I need to respect him but lo muntu ukuthi akho respect umunye umuntu or I was just iphela uthi remember manje ubaba uthazanga sangifonela ubaba manje akasebenzi so umuntu onamatekisi so ke muthu wa business so mo business ngiyapapaka ubhuti wami omncane lasibone uyoncedana nobabaami like uye like ka everything bayancedana because of kilasborn and thinking ukuthi phela the man maka ngashona obviously like abutarena kena to go check on everything yapapareni uthi okay sharp awushozi ayiga prepariwa umama umsahlala ka bhuti wami high life it's life kanjalo uthi ugokwethu like our grandfather passed on so selele ngogogo ugokwethu akasahlali ngapha uhlala outside the country go like lazale lokhona la vela khona vele ngabona uhlala lapho uthi ngimtshela ukuthi gogo you need to fly over or akututa dawulata uzakuthatha uzozaza ukucollector uze ngaperform sebenzi kokama athi yazi bengafuna ukuza ubaba kho yazi umunye umuntu nje bengafuna ukuza but because of umsebenzi wakho ngedladla manaka okay sharp hayi iviki yomsebenzi iyaqala ke ubhuti wami hamba yolanda ugogo nando gogo makafika ugogo phela gogo kufanele ukuthi ayeke ababami so nomama mukabhuti wami so umama mathatha ukuthi no what angeke sithi ugogo hamba ahlala e1 ngizohamba naye mina siye bayikhaya uthi ekhaya awushozi ubaba nomama abalali like emakamareni ayi1 like sikhule injalo for a very long time because of the abuse ubaba mbeka abuse umama so sijwayele and then kukwakale nobalala e1 uthi hayi umuntu makabona ugogo wami awushozi ugogo amcede ufika abantu bazemsebenzi ke weekend emsebenzi Monday it was Monday iviki lomsebenzi uthi awushozi how ugogo ucede ufika uthi my father udla anulejwana uthi ugogo wami nokho ngiyayizonda wena nokho ngiyayizonda beka usathani like uthi my mother mangifonela angitshela uthi bekakhulume hateful things kugogo wami athi ugogo wami ugcine waze wakhala athi ugogo wamatshela like umama ukuthi makoti bengafuni ukuzala cause ngiyamazi ukuthi umntwana wami unjani so now ngixola ngilisa kena uthi awushozi I felt bad because of him engisusa ugogo le asihlalele peacefully ngatheze ngapha because usemcimbini uthi hayi awushozi siyapreparela ngibiza umama wami ukuthi no ikadropong retore ka grocery at the week siplane kahle ukuthi izinto zethu ngeweekend zibe right and then ngizaza mina ngikuletha ke mangishayisa then ngiza dropa off ke okay sharp mama atle dropong asuzera reke masibuya it's me my mother and my son masibuya awushozi ubaba ume nomuntu wakamakhelwane gedini uthi hayi siyahlika ngiyabulisa ubaba makavuma umuntu wase next door uthi my son yahlika uyabulisa baba makavumi kuvuma umuntu wase next door hayi ngidlule but like ngifile bad ukuthi why manje angavumela umntwana wami ungena kuphi izindabeni zethu kulabona uthi hayi awushozi ngabe nendaba ke sihlise izinto ngijike Tuesday ngahutla happy ngiyabulisa my father akarespond still sise preparela dilo tsa modiro uthi hayi ngiyabuya Wednesday ngiyabulisa my father akarespond and sise process ukuthi we can take a modiro uthi Thursday ngibona ukuthi you know what angeke solo like uqoba uthoko because I called my sister usisi wami uhlala kwakhe na uthi I called my sister and ngamtshela ukuthi you know what situation because usisi wami kazoza Friday situation is so and so and so called my brother ngabatshela ukuthi mina lo muntu akangibulisa bona uthi urahad one of irahad wethu athi you know what wena dira modiro usikam entertainer hakaro walwana waruhakana don't respond udidi imali ukuthi umsebenzi udlule kube nepeace uthi ayingithathe iadvice karahad ngisho ukuthi you know what ngimiyekele umuntu ungasambulisi cause uzomosha lento eseyizamayo ngimiyekela anjalo cause kipapa kagamitsu like he's like that yabona uthi awushozi Thursday Friday hayi sikhona ke Friday iri busy rara prepare hayi rube sitwe komolongo ibile kuhlatshwa imvu izinto abangizikhuluma namangizilalele ngalihleka ithwala umuntu yahlanya yabona so uthi hayi ki Friday so bahlabile nguku yabona uthi thina in our Sotho culture ne the kidneys itsangu adije awudisho ole 1 e1 mele ukuthi idle babam e1 idle ugogo wami yabona so uthi ubabam awushozi aswile fela athi kidney tsela because of sense already beshankera like sazi basemlilweni and then siyazinikeza abantu abadala bayazidla uthi awushozi and then they share amongst yabona even though ungayinikeza babam idla amadoda and then leyana idla abomama kanjalo yabona ayi usisi uthi awushozi kumnandi nje lo sikhona sonke everything my sister nayifikile borakhadi batenge uthi mina ngingale senza ama salad yorakhadi aborakhadi babasumlilo waphansi babhizi vele phansi bazevele bayenze namadombolo yabona uri awushozi batenge bashimane bahlabile ngokuba bhizi mola uthi vele isiphithiphithi uthi ekithi awushozi kuhayene khona le ama taxi ka babam so it's a big yard so ama-taxi kababa amanye ngaphakathi amanye aphake ngaphandle then imoto ezinye ezingaphakathi ezinye ziphake ngaphandle yabona uthi awushozi usisi wami bekakhuluma ngefone so makhuluma ngefone athi sathi uthi ngoba ufuna iprivacy ahamba ehlala imoto yosisi wami bephake ngaphandle angene emotweni yakhe akhulume ngefone uthi awushozi ubaba aqale ke sesizwa ke batla di-taxi tsa ka di kene mo jarateng no di-taxi tsa ka di tlo phaka ko ntle batho bangwe ba dikoloi tse ba ntse dikoloi tse ke batla gore di-taxi tsa ka di phake mo jarateng uthi hawu usaqala i-commotion just like that uphuzile uyaphuza ulasozi my father whether uphuzile angaphuza ngesithi alcohol ubaba mno noma ngaphuza ngaveli umuntu onjalo vele uyathanda vele cause ihavoc like i-personality yakhe ukhule njalo yabona uthi awushozi awu risamakethe mola uthi umuntu vele aphakama ahambe vele afihle awubule gate akhiye gate meaning ukuthi ukhelela even my sister outside inside emotweni namateksi wakhe lawa amanye ngaphandle wakhelela then afike akene ko jardin or awushozi afihle abule like ka short umnyaka ko kitchen awumuntu are ke batla batho ba tsamaye mo hakamo motshwareng o ira modiro mo hakamo a tsamaye o ira high uthi awushozi ukuthi manje ushayela mini scam because I'm the one oyenza lo mqibilo I'm the one who came nale suggestion ukuthi asenzeni family gathering or awushozi ngingaphenduli uthi urahali wami munye athi usikafetola uthi ngidida imali ngithule ngidito ngingaphenduli uthi ashozi aribule myako ko dining room akere motho abatla modiro mo hakamo atsana ho ira kwa high uthi ashozi mina ngihlala kuma estates so akukhonala ukuthi ngawuyenza umcimbi lo bengifuna uyenza because bayakulimitela a certain number of people makufuna ukwenza umcimbi the reason ngithenze ngizowenzela ekithi is because of ngazi ukuthi si blend si combine i family yabona we are trying ukuthi si build le family ibe back together uthi awushozi kisafetola vele ngithule uthi angene ekitchen a 35 liter ayithela amanzi athi ko ndle ko beba besithe emullo for ukwenza like ukudla kwaphansi namadombolo benza amadombolo awushozi atsabhakete ela athele emullo la kametsi acishe nomlimo uthi in my heart ngithi ngoba almost into besiziceda like it doesn't matter re ka continue tomorrow but ngizitshele like kanjalo alright awushozi my sister abona ukuthi kahle isemoto ngisho ngaphandle uyabona ukuthi kuno commotion siswami ascreame arganglimpulele ngate or awushozi I'm so grateful ukuthi yonke into mayenzeka umntwana urakadwethu bebekudlalwa ibhola la ngaka Friday yatini bebapaliwa ball so my son uyayithanda ibhola so urahali hathi skhi athi hi man before everything sesemnandi ara zamana bala ball because obalabala ubatlobola yabuhela ball ngeke nikhona ubukela ibhola la ngendlini hamandle kwabo kurahali wami nasekithi asesekudeni kakhulu so uthi urakadi vele abaphe iskhiya sasendlini uthi mina because my son uyakhona ukudrive hayi asathe vele abantwana le crashingana level bekhona abantwana bagibela emotweni ba drive bayarhadi bahlala lapho futhi bathi bayolala lapho bayibukela ibhola shaphe bangekho abantwana kodwa awushozi my sister bon commotion enzakalayo ejardini abiza athi ngicela ukuthi nizovula igate because lo muntu imkhelele ngaphandle hayi abutaka tsamaya kule gate awushozi usisi wami like anyanye ukuthi why lo muntu afuna umosha lo msebenzi alright so bona athi ayikhuluma nobaba ukuthi kanti wetsa so bona uthi yey awushozi mothola nokabe ngare naye methi everyone akhobolela ngilena ukuthi umthitha di file uzomkhiphela uzoba iskipha ama file awushozi usisi wami beyaqeda ushonela indoda bekunawani indoda aqeda ukushona usisi wami indoda yakhe bekuyi businessman so wabe so yashona ke uthwala ke heart attack and then vele uyashona just like that and makashona like because of izinto beziziningi my father wamnceda izinto eziningi financially wamnceda so usisi wami makazama athi ufuna ukumkhuza ubabami ukuthi no man ungayenzi into oyenzayo umosha umsebenzi yo awushozi nakamele ari wena utompotsa nix uskatana unale mutsi wena ibilo bulayele mona hawu ngeke usenange usakhona ngingakakhona ngumnqwaba uthi awushozi like just for the fact ukuthi ushkhulume ngomuntu oqeda ukushona onawani yashonile and usalis like isishuko my sister uthi siswam anyanye akwade ore arke rubulalile mona wena uskampotsa selo uthi usiseke nawo rumoloke usiswa mvele a jump I kitchen arubana today khalo no abuza sale bana today I want to end this thing uthi usiswa makhithi my kitchen athumese afuna ukwazi ubaba ngalo mess uthi ubrother vela gijima abamba usiswa mvele so ufuna ukuthi athi no my sister man ngikhobelela lena so please don't do that yabona cela ukuthi ayeka ungacabanga into ofuna ukuyenza but ubhuti wami ungene in between my father and my sister or he I would say you don't know my father uthi bekamele ukuthi ubhuti wami vela ingene le ndaba le ubhuti wami uphakathi ko sisi wami no babami uthi ari wena good for nothing son a una selo ntshethe ko morago felo emetse gore ke tlhokofala go tsantsa a una selo o mpia uthi athuku ubhuti wami Australia like my brother unceda ubaba mnye business yama taxi unceda kakhulu are amoruhe hore ona selo o tshabo bereka o emetse matlaka ka berekeleng ke nna go ja matlaka uthi abo makhelwane ko strateng go kwatsu no le commotion Australia uthi kwaphumi abantu bahlola uthi athuke my brother uri angibona ukuthi you know what I cannot keep on ngithi ngothula ngisabe ukuthi uzomoshe because already umoshekile or kids Australia nekidira le salad konhlungu uthi ngiphume nami ngiye kubabami uthi manje babami ngimtsho ukuthi kanti why ufuna ukwenza so uthi hey kanti nami uyimele yami file unkemetso ore nakhe ngi-intervene phela ukuthi khona ukudubula ngamagama uri Australia hayi angifala lapha ngisathi ngiyakhuluma are ye dijimala we dijimala wahopula nakusela umuva uyakonhlunga hawo no shota ka tshela batla 40,000 mona if it wasn't for me ngikosa yona motso ngikosa le motso uthi Australia ngavele ngathi ye uthi mina mangi move to my house so ama fans wambe ka delay for me ukuthi ngikhona uregister ngibhatala ama lawyer yabona so ngathi ubaba ngathi ngicela ukuthi ngibole 40,000 ezothi imali yamayizile ngidla u4 Australia and I paid back leyo mali ngayinikeza umama ngaze nga screenshot ne proof of payment ngabathumela because ngiyazi ukuthi baba umuntu njani ugare wena nachata ukubhateti chata ukubhateti and even my sister be umbhadalile ubaba mara umbhadalela kancane alena lelithuki lituseka chelete ona umbhadala ka 5 rand ka 2 cent athi usiswami obe ngambhadala imali yakhe ukuthi uncede to pay the husband so mona arina kambhadala uthi ngikhipha ifone yami because already besesina the proof of payment or ke monsekere ashichalta ho kiphatisi ka ufela ku kolotini uthi noma sabona ukuthi ngimbhadalile still akho no apologize Australia uthi hayi vele abo arahadi vele bar no hayi Philip rikaskoni into ediranga wrong uthi vele wonke umuntu vele abe against my father abona ukuthi akana plan or Australia papa ka vele atso ka mauto or atso ka mauto vele atsamaya she taxi atsamaya vele hambe uthi Australia yo kube ngathi singathi finally peace uthi is prepare saqhubeka sa prepare or Australia nakusela akhile gate cabanga abantu becatering bebangaphandle like they had to see le commotion enzakala yomndeni or bomakhelwana Australia or like the way ne ke hlaba ke litlhonka teng hothi why lo baba lo ayenza so uthi Australia baba mahambe continue like kubeli phisinyana uthi for about 2 hours ahambile how sisathi uthi makuthi uhamba vele sikhi egate because like we sister fed up guy no rasa khono ukhutlatsene yabona uthi after 2 hours ehambile umuntu sizwa bayabiza egate how rikhophela mme wakamo how siyama mme wakamo bani ufuna mama ethu sonke siyaphuma sithi egate ora sifike egate ubaba mnamaphoyisa how amaphoyisa manje wabona ya baba tlompolai tshela la maphoyisa phela baba tlompolai aba batlo ke tsedulu tsaka ba tlo tsaka ke tsamaye ka montlo ya go tsedulu tsaka ke tsamaye wabona uthi hayi awusozivele ngimtshela ukuthi wena ubusy every time ungaqabana nathi uyafuna usiqoshalana kwakho but like stand seke samamaka wena uqinile Jesu wahantu epila we understand but le stand ukuthi mama masola kanjani you don't know wasana uthuba nqoha uhorshika stand rata mahela mme wa rena ore awusijozi uthi Australia ibhlungu ukuthi every time mawucabutshaniwe endlini every day umuntu atsamaya ngohaka but like leyandawo like indawo kamama and then inozile vele awakho umuzi but kubhlungu ukuthi every time mawucatshaniwa rena rakubiwa every time yabona uthi hayi amaphoyisa vele afike so the other policeman uyahlika ke and then sivula igate sithi hayi thina lo muntu azangisimalela ukuthatha everything izinto zakhe uvele wa khosi havonko waphuma ngegate wahamba uthi hayi lo omunye iphoyisa lo unobaba then lo omunye like he's trying to understand ukuthi kahle what transpired ukuthi kugcine kuso athi lo umuntu ophoyisa some gate ngisho lo ungena naye ukuthi escort uthatha izinto zakhe lo some gate arewani utlilele namo usaphiza uthayime ko gate uyemetse because awathiwa utlile mona utlilele namo uthi like ke bona that police officer ne ufeletse ke matla but athi sakuthi you know what let me be professional ahambeke bamlandele uthi hayi awusoze afihla babaka uthi besabu ukuthi uzothatha nesibhama sidouble because like you know ukuthi unesibhama but isibhama zanga sisibona ufike ovela thatha izinto zakhe unotsi yakho awusoze ayala kofathi faka yonke into yakhe icathulo na or awushozi alikenisa kufathi uthi ulo phoyisa lelisakhuluma nomama wami like trying to find out kahle kanti wale le family right so licabana ba uthi yey a switch off lo phoyisa arike sikabulisa mutho wena awatla kwayena uhlile monna ushilo phoyisa athe baba uzokhuluma nami kanjalo like ukhulume nami lapha ekidini rough ngathula manje like into how we dirang like why wenza so or ke tusangeni na uthi awushozi umuntu afake izinto zakhe engubeni abe ayiguga or ditlhako di tsamaliwa or akuke ko boela ayikwantle hakiti ura athi immediately wathi uphuma la I'm escorted from the house to outside the gate uthi amaphoyisa ngene evenini ahambe or ke bona or motho nana hano maphoyisa to tsamayile yena back or something uthi ame lapha yana or awushozi ase ko boela I ngikwenza ayithwale vele the blanket yakhe igcwele izimpahla uthi impahla zama ziyawa awushozi umuntu awokhe ngezinyawo ahambe uthi hayi makahamba kanti ufonela umngani kaBhuti wami ukuthi azomlanda ufuna ukuthi amkhaphe somewhere so the friend kaBhuti wami amthatheke amise ku guest house ngasekudena sekhaya amise lapho uthi hayi uBhuti wami vele anyanyathi waye friend angena indaba zasekhaya hayi ukuthi ngithi hayi umfonele maybe the friend doesn't know what's going on uthi hayi sifonele friend ukuthi papa oreng urayi papa ko simshe ku guest house kanti chomodira uyirahalana uthi uBhuti wami ambuza ukuthi utshele ukuthi ukwenzekile uthi no ngangitshela ngibhala kensi ukuthi lacabana awushozi nako like hotletse strateng batho ba rishebeletse uthi into zami ebhlungu cause I tried ukuthi ngenza into enhle for the family but azange kwenzeke uthi awushozi thina sichubeke ngomsebenzi ke sichubeke kube right awushozi ubaba mvele ahlale lapho go guest housing uthi uBhuti wami nomama babuye bazohlala ekhaya because of umama bengahlala eWani ubaba mangekho uthi uBhuti wami azohlala nomama or awushozi ubaba akhathe off umama completely financially amkhathe off asikahla samrekela amabona sikapatala mitsa sikadira anything asikamrekela mship anything amkhathe off vele awusho sizame vele kufonela ubaba wami singamtholi amafoni samfonela simthola amafoni sisathi uthi you know what because there is this cousin of ours or police officer simtshele ke ukuthi go uyomtrace sibone ukuthi ukhona uthi ayamtrace asitshele ukuthi hayi lo muntu ukhona le guest house awushozi hayi ngiadvise mama ukuthi you know what hambe apply la umndende because of high kunzima uthi na ucabanga uBhuti wami phela akasakhona uassista ku taxing because of my father uthize uthi uBhuti wami athi ule commotion enzekile bekathiwa noBhuti wami athi uBhuti wami lala nomama wami that's why umama wami ahlala kaBhuti wami uthi awushozi then uBhuti wami nobaba mangasasebenzisani so now uBhuti wami akasana income umama wami akusekho umuntu omsupporta uthi mina nosisi wami step in ke sengincedise endlini ura awushozi ukube 2 months 3 months ifete motho no contact akezi nasendlini how uthi mama wami the other time how hlelo uyafona uthi mangeze endlini ungathini uthi umama wami amtshela ukuthi no like lana kwakho if you want to come back you're welcome ukatla ube how like it's your house anyway yabona uthi hayi kube the very same day lona lewu athi no ukankachelete ureke mhlakazi ureke edijo ifobatla because of uzulu ukuthi mama mothize it's fine like he can come back uthi hayi vele umuntu vele bambona abuya vele ngalijali yakhe impahla ezishodayo uthi abuye endlini or awushozi makabuya endlini mina nobaba mazange sakhulumisana my sister nobaba masamba sakhulumisana like we're waiting for him to call us ukuthi zani si family sizokhuluma or maybe like the elders because umama makana bazali and ana family ana siblings everyone if side la mama bashonile bonke kusele umama ayi1 and every time akalwa like no mama mrona zangabereka awutsibe chelete ibila una batswadi uthi umthu wangu uthi ibila una khai umthu wa like that or awusozi umthula umaklapa I don't want to ukuthi ngikhuluma izinto amasela thukana athiwa ngazo umama but like umro akaklapa eserious but umama umuntu ukuthi so jwayele otlareng cause ke mona hayi or awusozi umama se ubeleke endlini ke uhlala khona nobabami and then uBhuti wami angasasebenzi ke uthi angitry ukuthi ngiyamconnecta ke ngiyamhotspota ngomsebenzi imtholo lo umsebenzi bekahola 3.5 ke uBhuti wami umsebenzi ayi umuntu osebenze hayi jikijiki umuntu seyakazona nobabami babami yamfonela hayi buya mafana kitlo reka kawashi kitlo faya no wena werani urawushozi ubaba ayithengele ayenzele ikhawashi hayi ubhuti wami arani ikhawashi but awushoza ngawubotsa or abutaka bampatala baka utlwa botho because basimtholela umsebenzi la hola khona boma 15k but wayeka because of my father said ke tlo direla a business o tla irana wena only to find out ukuthi lapho you were employee you hola 2500 lo baba marukhohlakele ne uthi awushozi kube ukuthi umsebenzi bowenzeke eJuly uthi December my sister athi sizoza sizovakasha kwakho my sister nabantwana bakhe hayi my brother nabantwana bakhe and then ke umama ngiyolanda umama uthi hayi mangiyolanda umama awushozi ngimletha endlini umama marana ukaba jwang mara le no betha papa le na ka surprise alo bona lenyarela le re hayi rata misha le nra feta fela uthi okay ngifeel ukuthi if umama ufeel ukuthi ngithi ngobulisa babami I can go but ngoyenzela umama angenzeli mina because of I can see ukuthi umama le ndaba emfaka ku awkward position ngilobona uthi ayisiswa makafika then ngimtshela my sister was like no we are not going to do that asizomosha iChristmas yethu simoshayele indoda le asizoyenza le nto le uthi okay ngifile at peace ngazi ukuthi usiswami lezi zinto engizifeelayo na uyazifeel ukuthi no man this man u toxic and he's been toxic impilo yethu awushozi angatshela ukuthi mina like I relationship yami nobaba the way isikule ngakhona ingaffecte kanjani in my personal life angikhona ukubekezela indodeni if ngoba ukuthi indoda yenza into wrong one uthi I pack and leave angiyiphi indoda second chance if ngoba udire ngithonyana snacks sewukuseng uthi I pack and leave uthi ingaffected to extent ukuthi angikhona uneza indoda second chance because sikubona like a part of my father in kulomuntu lo uthi most of the time nake singidla ke namuntu because of dilo tsekile experience le nkehula through ubaba. So it affects my adult life, it affects my personal life, my love life, yeah, it affects the relationship ka babam. Now, yabona. So or awushozi sili Christmas kanjalo uthi awushozi ngikhuluma nawe so ubabam sina over close to 2 years. And no phone call akasifoneli akashone ngisangafonela ngosisi wami uyaphila nobaba no bhuti wami because of bhuti wami uncinga umsebenzi and abutaka because of anamoya kanga thing and now that ubhuti wami unomndeni wakhe uyadinga ukuthi awusupport so still usa rohana usa breaker uthi awushozi ubaba wami lesasikhathi aye ku guest house or he umuntu wahamba i-taxi driver i-taxi rent atshela abantu ukuthi thina sibantwana bakhe umama uyasazi ukuthi thina wasatha kuphi awushozi. On top of that umama mina washada ubaba wami sese student angayazi indoda uyazi ngobaba but behamba tshela everyone e-community ukuthi thina sibantwana bakhe ubaba umama uyabazi abobaba bethu what I was choosing like I feel at peace ukuthi ubaba mina ngimkhathe off angimfoneli uthi mina the only time engizothi ngikhaya is when kungaba nomuntu omdala angathi asihlale phansi sikhulume or now iyangizisubuhlungu ukuthi abora khadi barana khathi le papa randi utlwa jwang whereas bona bambona ubhuti wabo ukuthi act kanjani and bayamazi ukuthi unjani abambona yenza iphutha abahlali naye bamkhuza but they want to blame us ki wrong awusizina. Like please advise us. So wrong what also I've been praying about this thing but in feel at peace mangasakhulumi nalomuntu lo. Ni wrong na. One thing I know that I'm wrong of ukuthi ngizama ungena indaba zabantu abadala because I was trying to fix the issue. Usisi uthi na hake etsa modiro wa family gathering. I thought ukuthi so khonhlala phansi as a family and sibelane sizwane. Athi something engathi ngwrong ngayo iyona le because of ngingenile izindaba and trying to pull them together and athi sizithama ukuthi siyaphulana together rebe family only for the issue ukuthi ibe worse because now ubaba like akasasifuni kahle because setsabulelo ora aribana bahayi but one thing I said mina ngathi akayenza ama DNA test I'll only come back home mangabhadala ama DNA test siwayenze sibone ukuthi sibantwana singasibantwana bakhe na and if ever libana bahayi uzongazi kahle because how can he akhulume a bad mouth umama emphakathini whereas azi ukuthi umama mamthatha intombi into or awushozi family rena ihlukene because of one man my father and he's not willing to apologize ibile he's not willing to meet us halfway ke ukuthi angabiza ama family members bahlale nathi phasi ba try to resolve the issue akafoni So now na ngizamile like matsapa aka ngijike futhi ngihambe ngiyomncenga yena ngoba ngithi mzali wami or awusoze na feel ukuthi I'm better off without my father. So ngicela ningitsheleni ukuthi bengi wrong kuphi in all of this situation. Ibile awusiwa ka yena nalo wrong guy ukuthi azamthu ukuthi ubulala indoda yakhe because of amkhilitsi konke. Oh Jehovah Jesus Christ o Ramasedi. Angazi because this issue ibhlungu ukuthi umuntu anikhulise abuse umzali wenu nani abuse ke ku process even senibadala akakhona ubona ukuthi like uyinkinga should nonke everyone bayinkinga ngaphandle kwakhe but yakhona ubona ukuthi babakhe bekangasubuntu right akhona urohama mahayi or ya mona how but na like guys iphano sisi advice or adire jwang kube uye uqala le ndaba amlandelelo babakhe apologize but apologize for in we don't know or athule naye kanjalo uzalinda the day ubabakhe angathi uyambiza or family bakare bakopana balukisa taba. So issue yakhe ukuthi from here bayenze njani bahlale vele bamkhathe off or bahambe bona bamlandelelo baba bona. Bye guys.